The detoxification system is made of many parts, all of which are incredibly important. The intestinal flora, the intestines with the intestinal wall, the microbiome, the liver, the kidneys, the skin, and the lungs. To begin with, the microbiome is where around 40% of the toxins that we swallowed are biotransformed and rendered non-toxic before they even have a chance to be absorbed into the circulation. The toxins that avoid the good bacteria and fungus in our intestines get absorbed into the circulation through the intestinal wall. The intestinal wall plays a very important role in keeping toxins at bay by forming a hermetic wall that separates the intestinal tube, where food is flowing from mouth to rectum, with cells that, when looked under a microscope, they show very tight junctions between them, like the cement between the bricks of a wall. This prevents unwanted, undigested food and organisms and other substances to freely flow into our circulation. They must be absorbed actively by the intestinal wall cells. Inevitably, many toxins are absorbed together with the nutrients from our food. Many more toxins get absorbed when the tight junctions are broken down and the condition known as leaky gut happens, which is very common these days. Once in the circulation, toxic molecules will pass through the liver, and in it, the liver cells will recognize these toxins and will activate many different enzymes that will biotransform these toxic molecules into non-toxic, water-soluble molecules. From there, they will eventually pass through the kidneys, where they will be actively filtered out and eliminated through urine, as well as when passing through the circulation in the intestines. The intestinal wall cells will grab them from the blood and throw them into the intestinal tube in a process which is exactly the reverse to absorption, so that they then can be eliminated through the feces. Another important organ of detoxification is our skin, which is one of our largest organs, and has the ability to eliminate water-soluble toxins through a function called sweat. Lastly, the lungs are where the inner toxic molecule that is being produced as a result of every cell breathing, carbon dioxide, is released as we breathe out.